Hi guys, in this video we talk about Realme 13 Pro Plus. It's launched on July 2024. The dimensions of Realme 13 Pro Plus: height 6.35 inch, width 2.91 inch, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight is 190 gram and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.7 inches with 90.6% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 394 ppi density. The refresh rate is 120Hz with 2000 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. The platform of Realme 13 Pro Plus. It's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 2.4 GHz. The GPU is Adreno 710. The memory of Realme 13 Pro Plus. It's come with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup. The Realme 13 Pro Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and it's record 4K 30fps video. The front selfie camera is 32 megapixel with 1080p 60fps video record. The battery backup. The Realme 13 Pro Plus comes with 5200 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wire charging. It could not support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: it's come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC 360, UFS 3.1 and IP65 dust and water resistant. The Realme 13 Pro Plus comes with 400 price tag.